Next Wednesday walkthrough. Today we're standing in a Forest River 2022 Wildwood Heritage Glen 308 RL. This rear living floor plan is perfect for a couple on the road with plenty of entertainment space. So we've started here in the rear living. I've got my sleeper sofa on the end that folds out, makes a tri-fold sleeper here for two people for extra sleeping space. I've got the reclining theater seat directly across from the TV. Now, look at this huge TV that comes standard already in the camper above that fireplace that puts out the real heat. Now, as you go through here through the kitchen, look at the large island. I've not seen an island this large. Again, the entertainment space is amazing. You've got the 3 stovetop burner, you've got the oven, you've got the hood range and the microwave, all more counter space, all for that entertainment. We've got the ever-chill freezer and fridge. Don't forget there's a solar panel on this unit, so this should be heated and cooled, this should be cooled while you're on the road. Now, look at this walk-in pantry. I love the light that flips on there. Extra storage for all your food and cooking utensils, and they thought of everything. I've got more storage above here, more storage below here. I even have a little counter, take notes, put more food. So we're here with the dinette. Notice it's on the slide. There are 3 slides in this unit, but ideal in the rear living part for that entertainment. So let's go through here to the bathroom. Nice large rectangular shower with that glass door. Extra room with the skylight there, toilet, medicine cabinet, and a little storage in the corner. We finish up here in the bedroom where you're going to notice 2 more slides. We have the king size bed located on a slide, so there's plenty of room to walk around. And we have, comes with Chester drawers here, already situated for you. But my favorite part, as always, the sliding closet door, the barn style here. And look at the space. Storage on both sides, a washer and dryer prep hookup, plenty of room, ideal for those couples on the road. Don't forget it comes with 2 ACs and a solar panel to run all your lights and plug-ins. So if you're in the market for a couples coach, this one comes in right at 38.7 and 9,000 pounds. 3 slides, 2 ACs, a solar panel, the ideal couples coach on the market. Come on down to Adventure Camper Sales and see it for yourself.